Meniscal Root Repair using the WASHERCAP Mini fixation system, designed for a reliable suture or tape fixation, not dependent on the patient's cancellous bone quality. Once the tibial tunnel is created and the sutures are passed through the meniscus tissue, prepare the entrance of the screw, placing the drill guide tool over the tibial tunnel. Ensure the lateral stoppers reach the cortex and advance the drill bit through the guide until it reaches the depth stop. Remove the drill bit first and then the guide. Then, use a passing wire to shuttle the sutures down the tunnel. To preserve the tension applied to the tissue, secure the sutures using the WASHERCAP Mini. Pass the sutures through the cap and insert it into the entry of the tibial tunnel. Align it with the tunnel direction and gently tap it with a mallet until it is flush with the cortex. Once the cap is implanted, rotate the screw counterclockwise by one full revolution to loosen it and remove the inserter. To maintain tension, wrap the sutures around the screw once. Then, tighten the suture strands and advance the screw until it is flush with the cap. The sutures are secured inside the WASHERCAP Mini, preventing the fixation displacement and working reliably regardless of cancellous bone quality. If desired, tension can be readjusted by loosening the screw and retensioning the sutures.